In this video, we're going to talk about how to add a loading state to a button in Replo. So in this page, I've already got my product box set up, and I've got an Add to Cart button. And on that Add to Cart button, I've got a hover state, and I have the Add to Cart product interaction here. I'm going to check this so that we go to checkout right after. And what I'd like to do is to have some indication on this button that the product is being added to the cart, for example, a spinner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to states. I'm going to create a new state. And I'm going to call this state loading. And I'm going to select the loading condition here for the state. Now what I'm going to do is go to my spinner component from the left bar, drag it in right under this text, and then I'm going to configure this button so that the spinner only shows in the loading state and not in the default or the hover states. So I'm going to go to the default state, select the spinner, and make it not visible. In the hover state, it's also not visible. But in the loading state, I want it to be visible. And in fact, I want the add to cart text to not be visible at all. So now we have the default state and the hover state, and the loading state has a spinner. Now, when I publish my page, and I view the live page, scroll down here. If I click on my add to cart, I'll get the spinner while we redirect.